Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tutorial Lab. Today, we're exploring an incredible feature that's changing how we interact with AI, ChatGPT's voice conversation feature. Imagine having a smooth back-and-forth conversation with an AI, hands-free. From getting quick info to real-time assistance, this feature is designed to make interactions more natural and seamless. But the big question is, how do we use it and how good is it really? Let's dive in and find out. What is ChatGPT Voice Conversation? So, what exactly is ChatGPT's voice conversation? Simply put, this feature lets ChatGPT respond to your voice input like a real conversation partner. No typing needed. Just speak, and ChatGPT will reply instantly with voice responses. And it's available on the mobile app for both iOS and Android, accessible to all users, so you don't have to be a ChatGPT Plus subscriber to try it out. This makes it easier than ever to interact with ChatGPT while multitasking. Let's look at how to get started. How to use ChatGPT Voice. Alright, now for the fun part, getting hands-on with the feature. Here's a quick step-by-step on how to start a voice conversation with ChatGPT. Open the ChatGPT app and log in if you haven't already. Look for the headphone icon in the app. This is your gateway to voice mode. Tap the icon and a floating circle will appear. This means it's ready to listen. Simply speak your question or prompt. ChatGPT will convert your voice to text, then quickly generate a response. And here's a cool tip. If ChatGPT is responding but you want to cut it off or change directions, just interrupt it with a new question or statement. See? It's easy to use, super intuitive, and gives you that real back-and-forth feel. Unique features of voice conversations. Now, let's talk about what makes this feature stand out. Hands-free mode. Once activated, ChatGPT listens continuously, so you don't need to tap again to continue talking. It's perfect for when you're busy or on the go. Realistic voice responses. The voices used are created with advanced text-to-speech technology, so they sound very natural, almost like a human. Customizable voices. You can even choose from different voice styles within the app, so you get to pick the tone that feels right for you. Basically, it's like having a super responsive assistant in your pocket. Real-life applications. So, how can ChatGPT's voice feature fit into your everyday life? Here are some real-world scenarios where it shines. Cooking or doing chores. Need a recipe tip or want to set a reminder while your hands are full? Just ask ChatGPT. Storytelling or learning with kids, ChatGPT can help answer curious questions or even tell a bedtime story on the fly. Hands-free assistant. Whether you're on the road, working out, or just multitasking, ChatGPT can give you quick answers without needing to stop what you're doing. And from what users are saying, it's surprisingly helpful for anyone who needs information while they're on the move. Limitations and considerations. Of course, like any tech, there are a few things to keep in mind. Accuracy with accents in non-English languages. While it's improving, ChatGPT may not always perfectly understand every accent or dialect, especially in languages other than English. Privacy considerations. Since it's voice-activated, be mindful of where you use it, especially in public or sensitive settings. But overall, these are minor considerations compared to how useful the feature is. To sum it all up, ChatGPT's voice conversation feature is a game-changer for anyone wanting a more natural and hands-free AI experience. From customizable voices to seamless, real-time responses, it's packed with benefits that fit into your daily routine. Now it's your turn. Give it a try, see how it works for you, and let us know in the comments. What do you think of ChatGPT's voice feature? Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future tutorials. And if you're curious about more AI tips and tools, check out our other videos. See you next time on the Tutorial Lab.